Hello. Today we're going to take a look at how to use Google Scholar. To use Google Scholar and use it effectively, you'll want to link our library to it. Some things on Google Scholar you won't be able to access, but you would be able to access them if you have our library linked. To link our library, you want to click on this top left corner of the three bars. When you click on that, it'll open up this side panel, and you'll want to go down to Settings with the gear icon. Once you've clicked on that, you'll get this page, and you can click on Library Links here on the left. Once you've clicked on that, you're going to type in Delta College, and then hit search. It'll bring up all the different Delta colleges. You'll want to click on Delta College at the top here. It'll say get it at Delta College. That's how you know it's ours. You'll click on that. It'll put the little check mark and then you'll click save. Once you've done that, and if you do a search like I've done here, you'll see over here if we do have it at Delta College, you can click get it at Delta College. If you click on it off campus, it'll typically ask you to log in and then you can use the article just like normal. Some articles, if we go back, won't have anything. In that case, you can still get it by going through Interlibrary Loan at the Delta College Library website. All you have to do is find the Interlibrary Loan request, which you should have seen before, and then use it by filling in all the information you can.